Hi friends, this video shows how to do screen mirroring. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First let me go to TV. In TV go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. Here you can see I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. If you don't have Wi-Fi router, then you can use mobile hotspot. Let me go to mobile phone. In mobile phone, open settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Then tap on network and internet. So here you can see I have connected this mobile phone to same Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi 2024. This is very important. We have to connect both mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. After that we can start screen mirroring. Again open the settings app, tap on the settings app icon. Then tap on connected devices, tap here. Then tap on connection preferences. Here we can see cast, tap on cast. Here we can see Google TV and Android TV, then Samsung TV. Here I am using this Google TV. Tap on this TV name, Google TV. This is the name of the TV which I am using. Tap here. Then tap on start now. See, screen mirroring working. See. If you want to switch display to full screen, we can enable screen rotation in mobile phone. Then just rotate the phone. So that way we can switch display to full screen in TV. So next I will show you how we can stop this mirroring. Again, go to settings. Then here you can see the under cast, you can see the connected TV. Tap on this connected TV name. Then tap on disconnect. See, this way we can disconnect. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.